make some.
Hmm?
I really want to make some coffee today.
Some coffee?
Like
Oof. Like a latte?
Yeah.
Ooh. I want something with caramel in it. What about you?
Maybe. I think I want like a smoothie or something.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Oh, I would love that. I am very thirsty right now.
Yeah, I'm very thirsty too because I just took a very long stroll.
And I just took a very long bath. What do you mean? Ah! What do you mean you took a really long bath?
Don't take the camera.
I was taking a very long bath, and then I got, the water was cold, and it made me in the mood for some iced coffee.
Oh, cold baths are never good.
No, yeah,
unless
I
you're
guess
like
not.
a fish.
Or an athlete with, like...
Super sweaty.
I was going to say ice bath.
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever been in an ice bath?
No, I never have.
You are missing out, girl.
I hope to one day.
Is that your dream?
Yes, to be in an ice bath.
Huh, okay.
I think we should, like, stop by the cafe.
Oops.
Hey, Brent. Stop by the cafe and get a few drinks, and then we should, like, have a dress-up party.
Okay.
I just realized I'm wearing a swimsuit.
Perfect for ice bath. Let's go!
Yeah! Wait. Oh, that was such a long stroll to the coffee shop. I was so there.
My legs hurt.
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought it was pretty fun.
Hi,
You guys hear that?
guys. Hi.
Oh. My. Whiskers, what is that? What are you? Uh-oh.
I'm the worker of the coffee shop.
Oh, you're naked. And a troll?
Yep. I'm a troll. These are my adopted kitty babies.
Oh. Are you sure those aren't our kitten babies?
I just found them on the street, so I took them.
Oh, okay. Can we get, I completely forgot what I wanted to get. Yeah,
something
me too.
with caramel.
Oh, right. Can I have, a super creamy caramel delight with extra whipped cream and frosting and sprinkles? And wafer on top? Are you writing that down or dancing? Okay, I'm done. Who's next?
I want to get a latte with extra whipped cream.
Ooh.
Alrighty. And you?
Can I have a hot coffee with extra cream, extra vanilla, and a cookie on top?
Sounds delicious.
Thank you.
I'll have iced coffee, please. Alrighty. You can sit right over there.
Alright, thank you.
Let's go. Oh wait. I think I'll just lay down. There we go.
Oof.
Yeah, and if you want to take your kitties back, you can. I'm sorry, I didn't know they were yours.
Kitties. Oh,
They're so cute.
I don't know if these are our kitties. But they're cute anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet. It tickles, it tickles. Oh my.
This one's like translucent. Translucent.
Oops.
Oh.
What was that?
It's like a translucent kitty.
No. Ultra rare kitty cat.
These two look like they're siblings. This one.
Yeah.
Maybe this one's one of their siblings too. It might be a litter of kitties.
Maybe they're all from the same litter.
Whoa. These two look like they could
Is
be
that even
siblings.
possible? Oof. Oof. Oof.
Maybe if
Oof.
like the mom or the dad was really colorful and then the other side was just like same with cats.
Oh, maybe.
Because these are two. These both. Actually, this is not same with cat. But
It looks like a
brown.
calico. I'm a calico.
I am too.
Meow. Meow.
Oh, white.
I'm white too. Oh, he's back.
Your drinks are here. Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you. Oof, I fell over. Oh, wow. There's glitter on everything.
Whoa.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Mm.
Wow, that is delicious.
That tastes like the best cafe drink I've ever had. Mm. So good. So good.
Oh, tasty.
So good.
It's so tasty.
So good.
Whoa. Chubby kitty cat. My drink. Do you like it? You want to try some of mine? Sure. Hey. That's delicious. Here's some of mine. Thank you. Delicious.
Oh, I'm ready to take a cat nap.
Oh, me too. Actually, I need to go. I need to go. I have to get out of here.
I gotta leave.
Wait, why? Because my tail fell off. What the?
Oh.
I thought it was a banana at first. Look at it. Look at it. That was a banana, but it was my tail.
I gotta go.
Okay.
My
Okay,
tail.
No. Guys, I don't know what you're so worried about. My tail hasn't fallen out this entire...
You don't have a tail, girl. Are you a minx? Wait, is it minx? Minx cats that don't have tails?
I've lost my tail. Okay, guys.
Oh,
It's
phew.
okay. It's back in.
Yeah. We're good.
That was scary for a second. For a second, I'm still scared. I still don't have a tail.
Oh, wait. It's 8 minutes. We should probably end this.
Bye.